you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys along with us on a road trip from NorCal to Socal, and we're approaching our first stop and we're getting some food. First stop of the road trip, we got some McDonald's. We already ate some, but we got 4 hash browns for free, and then we got 2 egg muffin biscuit sandwich, coffee, soda. Yum. We're at this gas station, and why did I think we were going to a Krispy Kreme? It's green and white. I literally thought this sign was Krispy Kreme, but it's not. We're at the last stop, but look at this. Chamoy, sour kiwi slices, Skittles, sour worms, sour rainbow, sour gummies. Wow.
Hey, yeah, they say anything's possible. You got a dream like you never seen obstacles. Chasing obscene profits of wings.
What's up, guys? We are at the hotel now. Is there a door?
No.
There's a door here. Okay. Okay, I'll show you guys the bathroom later, but as we enter, this is what you see. There is a mini fridge here. Has water. Hopefully those are complimentary. There's a safe box, not locks. And then a little closet. And here's our luggage. Walk in here. This is the room. It looks so nice. There's like a huge bench area here. Our bed, little table. This is where I'm gonna do my makeup, or maybe here actually. And there's this bed, or this little couch, and I think this actually moves around, so we can move it if we want to. Maybe like move it by the window. And this is our view. Not bad. Not bad. Added my own pillow sheets onto the bed because, you know, we want to feel at home. Also have the chargers already plugged in here, and my my face mask and my earplugs. My computer's here for later. All my stuff is here. And then this is kind of like my little station that I made for myself. I just claimed this spot. And then we have this spot as well. Oh, I wanted to show you the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It has this nice, I don't know what this door is called, but it's a nice glass door and you can't see inside. This is how the inside looks like. It's spacious as a, like a box squarish toilet. A really huge mirror with lights all around. So actually this would be the perfect spot to do my makeup, but I didn't do it here, so. And then here's the shower. It actually has a regular shower and a rain shower, so you can pick and choose from here. And then it comes with like all these, what brand is this? Chorus. Some Chorus products, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And yeah, that is the room tour. I hope you guys enjoy it. I think we're gonna go out and get some food, so let's go do that. I forgot to show you guys, this is gonna be the fit. Same outfit as I was wearing, and then I'm just wearing my little bra. And then we have my bag here. I'm just gonna wear a cross. And then I change into slippers so I can let my feet breathe. But that's the fit. I might put this thing up here because it's a little baggy. What is this car doing?
To turn left onto South Central Avenue.
Like driving on this lane and it's not a lane. And is there another one doing that? That's the third car.
Stars to shine with teardrops in my eyes.
Yay, yay, yay.
Here we are at Walmart again.
I want to see Gideon.
I'm in LA, so it's probably something, yeah.
Got boba, went to the Enclave boba break tea. That's how it looks like. Looks really nice here. What is your review?
Pretty good. Just Thai green tea.
Thai green tea?
No, that's jasmine Thai tea.
Yeah, I was so confused. I was like, did you order that? Because it's green. I was expecting orange. No wonder she told me this was matcha. So I got matcha latte. And then he got this boba break. Okay guys, we're at Didi's. That's how it looks like inside. It looks like Ross, but smells like Goodwill. But anyways, the luggage here is so cheap. This is only 30 bucks. I saw it at Ross, it was like maybe 80 bucks. Let's see, this one, 37, okay? But this one's cuter and it's cheaper, so. This one's only 42 bucks and it's a huge one. They even have like a baby one too. Look at this. And Puma slides. Okay, that's like normal. Normal price. Shoe section now. Fila shoes. Ooh, these look good. That's a good price. There's a Puma shoes too as well. Let's see the bottoms. Bottoms, I don't know. Oh, it's okay. What brand is this? Gears? Oh, that's the first. We are now in the shoe section for the women's, and let's see what they have here. First of all, this is cute. Cute. These Puma shoes, I would wear these. I actually have shoes similar to this, but I'm wearing these right now. These Pumas. Oh God. I hate when they do that. There's an all white one. There's a pink one over there. Oh, this one's cool. What the heck? Bling bling. Oh, look at this one. What? Matid Boy?
Yeah.
What brand is this? Matid Boy.
Crocs.
Are these Crocs?
Oh, they're trying to be Crocs.
Look at that. The bling, the bling. Thank you. Let's see. We gotta get some ice when we get back. Not clean. This ice. After we got back from eating dinner at Norm's, by the way guys, Norm's is my absolute favorite. I highly recommend if you guys are going to Southern California, you have to check out Norm's, and specifically the one in Inglewood. I know it's kind of like sketchy, but I swear the service there is top notch. Anyways, we got back from dinner and now we're checking out the hotel. We are currently checking out this gym, and as you guys can see, it's huge. It comes with a lot of weights and machines, and to top it all off, it's open 24 hours, so that is a huge plus. And that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, please give this video a like and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for the next vlog. Bye.